Alright guys, so today it is very special. We're gonna make 4 dishes out of potatoes. On lots and lots of requests, we're gonna come up with the most 4 amazing recipes, which is the variations of French fries. We're gonna learn the authentic way to produce French fries, and we're gonna learn how to variate it into different forms. We're gonna learn today, right now. First of all, we're gonna start with a nice oval shape, medium or big size potato. We're gonna cut it from right at the center in the vertical order. Again, we're gonna cut it straight into half. We're gonna make perfect batons out of these potatoes. This goes straight in the water. This is a small trick behind. We're gonna keep all the potatoes in water because it contains starch. As soon as it comes in contact with oxygen, it starts changing its color. It starts becoming yellowish in color. As soon as your water comes to the boiling point, strain the potatoes. This goes straight in the boiling water for 2 minutes. Goes in slowly. Strain it back once it is boiled nicely. Then take them out on the cloth and pat dry it nicely. Then slowly take them out on the tray. Dust in cornflour. Slightly mix them together up and down. This will avoid them to stick with each other. This goes straight into the deep freezer. Slowly start putting them in really very hot oil. Be careful, don't put more at the beginning because it's gonna start frothing up. So add in little by little. Take them carefully out on the paper towel. Number 1, we're gonna make the simple salted French fries. We're gonna add salt and we're gonna toss them nicely. For the second one, we're gonna take another batch of French fries, add in tomato ketchup, pinch of oregano, and a dash of red chilli flakes. To finish with chopped parsley. Then toss them together nicely. And the third batch, 1 tablespoon of honey goes in. Black salt, black pepper powder, masala powder, of red chili powder. Mix them together nicely. Fourth one, pan on. Nob of butter goes in. 2 tablespoons of milk goes in. As soon as it starts getting warm, grate in cheese. Sort of whisk in slowly so it gets a nice homogeneous mixture and we create an incredible cheese sauce. Add in little salt, but remember the cheese is salty. Cook till you see the nice bubbles coming up, and if you want to store this sauce, a very small trick, you sort of blend it nicely and keep in the bottle so it will not set for a really long time. This goes right over the French fries. Incredible. So the first one was the salted potatoes French fries, and the second one was the fries with Italian dressing, and the third one was the jerk potatoes, which was nice and tangy, and the fourth one was the most delighted one, French fries with cheese dip and a dash of red chilies on the top. Task completed. 4 ways potatoes at its best. kept the marination for 3 hours. Then you will take each pieces and arrange them on the grill like this. Make sure your oven is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. We're gonna cook this for around half. And what we're gonna do is dip till more than half into the chocolate sauce, and we're gonna turn it around, and on the plate we're gonna take the other dough.